All right, welcome back, everybody. I got a little bit of a light issue today in that I don't have any. So my apologies if this looks a little darker than it normally does, especially since I just kind of figured out this whole lighting. Anyways, I'm not going to get into that. No lights, move on. Now, we are here with a shoe that has a lot of nostalgia to me. So my very first Jordan shoe when I was a kid was the Jordan 7. Went down to Foot Locker, convinced my dad that I could run faster and jump higher with this shoe. And, well, truth be told, he didn't need a lot of convincing. It was actually kind of easy to talk him into stuff. I digress. But this was my first shoe, and it was everything to me at that point. So when I got a little bit older, I was like, you know what? I want another Jordan 7 at some point. But I never quite found one that I loved until recently. I got the Jordan 7 collab with Patta. Patta. We'll go with Patta. This thing's awesome. When I saw it announced, it just looked amazing. But the biggest thing I didn't know was what color I was getting. Some pictures looked like it was brown on tan. Some looked like it was black on pink. Some pink on brown. As you can see, or maybe you can't, it's much more on the brown side. Like the suede throughout here is like this brown mocha. You got some brown hits lower in here. And then this coloring that's like pink kind of reminds me of like a tannish pink. So if you think like a cappuccino when you go to a coffee shop. So in a lot of ways, this is the coffee shop shoe. You've got the mocha, you've got the cappuccino, you've got a little bit of red here. We'll just say that's the cup. Anyways, hold on, I'm gonna get the box because I think they nailed it with this box. Like, it's unique and interesting, and normally I throw boxes out, but I like this one, so hold on. I mean, this is beauty. You got the Patta on the side. I just really like that box. I feel like they nailed it. And normally, like I said, I don't care about boxes. I shred them up, throw them out immediately. A lot of people complained about the Patta branding on the sole. I don't know, I like it. It makes a shoe look unique. It's not just a standard run-of-the-mill Jordan 7. Now, as far as Jordan 7s go, you've got that interior booty, that neoprene booty that was famous with the Huarache. Then it came to the Jordan 7, eventually made its way into the Penny 3, if you remember that. I'm dating myself. The sizing, I would say kind of true to size. So I went true to size, and I have some room in the toe box, but I don't think I have enough room to size down on this. So 2 videos ago, I reviewed the Fear of God Raids, and kind of the same thing, where there was room in the toe box, but not enough to size down. One of the things I did notice when I put these on was heel slippage. And I didn't know if that's because I should have gone down a half size, but again, I don't think that's the case. I decided to play basketball in these. Most people will not. I decided I wanted to. I wanted to feel that nostalgia feeling again. And as the sole started to break in a little bit, the heel slippage went away. From a cushioning standpoint, if you're curious about that, there's air in the heel, air in the forefoot. Actually, it felt pretty good to play in these. Like all these new age shoes with knit and really soft rubber, they just kind of disintegrate outside. And these just felt like, I don't know, like a svelte tank on my foot, and it felt really nice. If you head over to StockX, I think these are running for $260, maybe $300, somewhere in there. The prices keep steadily going down, and of course they are, since I bought them a little early, and now they're worth less than I bought them for. But, you know, we live, we learn. So if you like this video, I've got more. I just did one on the Canon M50, my first YouTube camera, and what you should look out for before you buy it. I've got a ton of different sneaker reviews. I've got some other tech stuff. That's pretty much me in a nutshell, and that's what I'm gonna continue to post. Hit the red subscribe button, if you will, please. And then if you wanna be notified for the next time I upload, that little bell icon's your friend. Till next week, I'll talk to you later. Bye.